Wealth flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Every day I attract prosperity in all forms. Money comes to me from expected and unexpected sources. My financial success is inevitable, and I claim it now. I welcome abundance with open arms. My income constantly increases, and I am financially free. I am a magnet for wealth, and everything I touch turns to gold. Opportunities for financial growth are everywhere, and I recognize them easily. I have a millionaire mindset. My thoughts are aligned with prosperity, and I make wise financial decisions. I handle money with confidence, knowing that it is an endless resource available to me. Money is a tool that allows me to live my best life, and I use it wisely. I am grateful for the wealth I have now, and I am open to receiving even more. As I give generously, I receive abundantly. I am surrounded by wealth in every aspect of my life, financially, mentally, and spiritually. Every dollar I invest returns to me multiplied, and my financial empire grows stronger each day. Success is my natural state. I am worthy of financial abundance, and I deserve to live in luxury and freedom. I easily attract high-paying opportunities, and my work is valued and well compensated. I create multiple streams of income, allowing wealth to flow to me effortlessly. I trust the universe to provide for me. My life is filled with financial breakthroughs, and I am always in the right place at the right time. My bank accounts are growing, my investments are flourishing, and I am building a legacy of wealth and abundance. I release all limiting beliefs about money. I let go of fear, doubt, and scarcity. I am confident, powerful, and in control of my financial destiny. Money works for me, even when I sleep. I am financially secure, and I enjoy the freedom that wealth provides. I live in a state of prosperity. Wealth is drawn to me because I am aligned with abundance. I have everything I need, and more is always on its way. Every action I take leads me closer to financial success. I am open to limitless possibilities, and I embrace the wealth that is mine by divine right. I am wealthy, I am abundant, I am unstoppable,